Non-duality is like this clap. You heard the sound, right? It was clear. It had a beginning and an end. But if I ask you, where did that sound come from? From my right hand, or my left, or from the air between them? We often think the world is made of separate things hitting each other. We see a me and a you, a here and a there, but the sound is not in the hands. The sound is an event. It is a meeting. Without the air to carry the vibration, without your ears to receive it, and without your consciousness to recognize it, there is no clap. If a simple sound requires the whole room, the air, and your presence to exist, then what about you, yourself? Master Thich Nhat Hanh used to say, a flower is made entirely of non-flower elements. Think about that for a moment. Look at a single petal in your mind. If you take away the sunlight, the flower dies. If you take away the rain, it withers. If you remove the soil, the minerals, or the silent work of the earth, there is no flower left. So where is the flower itself? Where is its separate self? It doesn't have one. The flower is a beautiful, temporary gathering of the entire universe. The sun is in the flower, the clouds are in the flower. The entire cosmos has to interbe just to create one little petal. And you are no different. You might feel like a lonely individual trapped in a body, struggling with a name and a story, but look deeper. You are made of the breath you just took, air that has traveled around the globe. You are made of the food grown in distant soil. You are made of the souls of teachers, ancestors, and friends. The entire universe is required just to compose you. Not a single atom of you is separate from the whole. So why do we play small? Why do we feel so timid? It's because we identify with the form and forget the essence. It's like a wave in the ocean that forgets it is water. The wave looks at other waves and feels superior or inferior. It sees the shore and fears its own end. But the moment the wave realizes it is the ocean, the fear of crashing disappears. Whether it rises or falls, it is always the water. In Zen, we call this the great death, the death of the small, separate ego. When that me dies, you realize you are the entire process. You are the ocean. Alan Watts says, you are an aperture through which the universe is looked at and exploring itself. When you realize this, you stop being a victim of life. You start being the life itself. You don't have a life. You are life. As you go about your day, don't be timid. Don't play small. You are much more universal than you ever thought. Every person you meet, every tree you pass, every sound you hear, it's all this. It's all the same non-dual event happening over and over again. There is no you in it. There is only this. Thank you for being here with me in this space. If you want to dive deeper into these reflections, join the Korean Zen Guy, Korean Zen Official on YouTube, Spotify, Instagram, and TikTok. Until next time, just be.
Live non-dual.